Welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we're exploring the rugged beauty of rock landscaping, a dynamic and low maintenance approach that adds texture, structure, and natural elegance to your outdoor space. Whether you are looking to transform a garden corner, revamp your entire garden, or simply enhance existing landscaping elements, let's dive into the fundamentals of rock landscaping with a focus on design variety. Rocks can be used in countless ways to create impact and sustainable landscapes, from serene rock gardens and rugged dry creek beds to elegant stone pathways and functional retaining walls. Rocks bring durability and timeless aesthetics to any garden settings. Transform your garden walks into elegant paths with flat stones, such as flagstone or slate. Lay them in a bed of sand or pebbles for sustainability and drainage, creating inviting walkways that let the eye and feel through your garden. This not only adds a functional aspect to your landscape, but also a touch of rustic charm. When integrating plants into your rock landscape, choose species that complement the story environment. Plants that thrive in rocky, well-drained soil, such as lavender, flax, and thyme, will perform well, creating a lush, naturalistic garden. The contrast between soft foliage and hard stone enhances the visual appeal of your outdoor space. Replace traditional mulch with small pebbles or crushed stone in your flower beds and around tree bases. Rock mulch contains soil moisture, prevents weed growth, and won't decay over time. It's particularly effective in creating clean, contemporary designs, providing a neat, orderly appearance, less maintenance. Finally, consider adding specialty items like rock water features, outdoor fire pits, or stone benches. These elements use rock in a way that enhance both the utility and beauty of your outdoor living space, providing gathering spots and serene retreats. As we wrap up with exploration of rock landscaping ideas. Remember that each stone has a story and every rock placement can transform the mundane into the magnificent. Whether you're drawn to the minimalist elegance of a Japanese rock garden or the practical beauty of a pebble pathway, there's a rock landscaping design waiting to elevate your outdoor space. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more design inspiration and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. And until next time, happy landscaping. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.